Sexual abuse is when a child is used for sexual gratification by an adult. A lot of times that can also be by a peer or an older child. So a lot of times people think abuse is just from adult to child. I will tell you that because children have access to pornography like never before, children are living out what they see in pornography with other children. Their siblings, maybe kids that they babysit, kids that they're around in small groups. So it's important if you guys do small groups that you have somebody, an adult, watching the group of children while you're doing your study time or whatever that case is, okay? Indecent phone calls, emails, sexting, this is all a form of sexual abuse for children. Coercion. I know several children, and some of them are adults now, that have been sexually abused. Almost every single sexual abuse situation will have a threat from the abuser to the victim. If you tell anybody, I'm going to X, Y, Z. So it's very important that we talk to our kids about what's going on in their life. Allowing a child to view pornography, images, or videos, and allowing a child to prostitute. These are all forms of sexual abuse. Okay, so our behavioral indicators, and I'm running out of time, so I'm going to try to go a little bit faster here. Behavioral indicators, you'll see if a child engages in inappropriate play, that is a sign of sexual abuse. If they exhibit inappropriate sexual knowledge, that is a sign of abuse. If they try to practice different acts with people as if they're playing, these are all signs of sexual abuse. And so if anybody in this room has been abused in the past, some of this might be a little triggering to you, so I just want to give you a little bit of a warning in advance. Sometimes children who have been sexually abused, when they're playing, will try to put things in inappropriate places as well. These are all signs. If they flinch when they're touched, if they practice any sort of self-injury, suicide ideation, those are the extreme sides where it's been happening most likely for a while. Misuse of drugs, stealing, setting fires. Obviously, pregnancy would be a physical indicator of abuse if they're of that age. Sexually transmitted diseases, a lot of times it will result in persistent bleeding. So if you're a mom and you see unexplainable blood in the laundry on your children's clothing, ask a lot of questions.